Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls out there in YouTube land. My name's Twist the Balloon Man. I'm going to teach you guys how to do a bird body roll through. This is a technique. This isn't just a sculpture. You will learn this so you can do lots of bird bodies and other bodies. You want to inflate the balloon? As this is a technique, it doesn't really matter how much of a tail you have. Just make sure you have a nice bit to work with. Tie a knot. Measure 2 fingers. Measure 4 fingers. And another 4 fingers. Twist these two together. Something looking like that. Bunny rabbit ears. Alright, next, measure this across these two. In most bird bodies, you want this to be a little bit extra or a little bit shorter, depending on what look you're looking for. I'm going to do mine a little bit shorter. Just a couple, maybe 1 finger shorter. This is a roll-through body. You push this through the other 2 balloons. Till it comes out the other side. As you can see, it kind of gives you a body that looks like a bird. This could be the parrot head. This could be the parrot tail. That is a roll-through body. Very simple. Bye guys, I'll see you soon.